Good, upside down. You were just talking. Are you going to stop now? Here you go. What you doing, Dolly? What you doing? Pretty girl. She does make all those sounds, but she's making me out to be a liar now, aren't you? But people are going to think I'm full of it. Hey, Dolly, come on, have a yarn. No? Okay. Alrighty. No. I understand. What can I say? But I understand. Oops, there you are. Sit down. Dolly. No, she's not gonna sing. Oh dear. Dear, dear. Hiding down there. There you are. I can see you. Wow, sweetheart. It's a pretty girl. You happy, girl? No. Okay. Really? You want to say some more? Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Dolly. Hello, Dolly. Oh, okay. I love you too. Yes, you are a pretty girl. Very pretty girl. Really? Yes, you are a pretty girl. Are you being magpie when you do that? Are you being a magpie? Oh, it sounds like a sad story, Dolly. But you're okay. Hey, you happy girl? I guess that means yes. Love you, Dolly. Say bye from Australia. Bye from Australia. Say bye-bye, Dolly. No? Oops. Okay, I'll say it. Goodbye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that. Dolly's chat time. Love and light.